this part, I will talk about Hinge. There are three kinds of Hinge: Blue Hinge, Hattie Hinge, and DTC Hinge. As our wardrobe standard configuration, there are many kinds of Blue Hinge. But first of all, we should know more about what is a full overlay hinge, half overlay hinge, and embedded hinge. Full overlay means door panel covers side panel. Half overlay means door panel covers half of side panel. Embedded means side panel covers door panel. First one is 100-degree full overlay hinge, 100-degree half overlay hinge, and 100-degree embedded hinge. Above all are commonly used on 16 to 22 mm zinc door panel. Second one is 95-degree quick assembly hinge of full overlay, half overlay, and embedded. We usually apply this to single aluminum frame door panel and 25 mm zinc wood veneer door panel. Third one is 175 quick assembly hinge of full overlay and half overlay, and 275-degree hinge. These two kinds are grouped to be used on the corner of tandem cabinets. We can find out that 175-degree quick assembly hinge of full overlay is installed to connect cabinets and door panel. 275 hinge is installed to connect door panels. Because door panel for wardrobe is too high and heavy, so this group of hinges can be used. However, when the height of door panel is less than or equal to 900 mm, we can use this group of hinges. Fourth one is linear hinge. It is suitable for the corner of hinge door. It is applied to connect door panel and face door or filler. From the picture on the right bottom, it is clear that the width of door panel and filler should be more than 80 mm. This one is rebounding hinge. It is always used on door panel with door pull. But we should note that this hinge should be matched up with a magnetic rebounder. What's more, magnetic rebounder is not suitable for aluminum frame door panel. Due to little rebounding power, two-notch door panel can't use this hinge. Sixth one is 95-degree aluminum frame hinge of full overlay. It is suitable for L101 aluminum frame only. Seventh one is MJ-23 hidden hinge. It is only suitable for EZT2019A or B dresser. From the picture on the right bottom, hidden hinge is installed on the panel with mirror. Eighth one is glass hinge. We only apply it to glass hinge door without frame. There are two colors for choice: golden and chrome. Here is a requirement for panel size. Width should be less than 500 mm. Height should be less than 800 mm. What's more, 5 mm zinc light glass and ground glass are usually used. The last one is round hinge. It is installed on the lift top of top panel for DG210 to 04 or 5 or 6. We can find out that it locates on the panel with mirror. Next part, I will introduce Hattie hinge. First one is a 95-degree soft closing hinge of full overlay, half overlay, and embedded. Because of buffer inside, Hattie hinge is high-grade hardware on wardrobe, while a blue hinge is without buffer. Buffer is installed in the cabinets. Moreover, shelf panel should go inside 75 mm to avoid Hattie hinge. Second one is 45-degree soft closing hinge of full overlay. From the picture on the right bottom, it is clear that this hinge is suitable for angle corner cabinet only. The last kind of hinge is DTC hinge, which is Chinese brand. Due to lower grade and price of this hinge, it is better to be applied in the projects. And the usage of this kind of hinge is the same to balloon hinge. We can use it according to balloon hinge. Finally, here is the chart about how many hinges should be used in cabinets. We can find out that the quantity of hinge is based on the height of door panel. What's more, it's important to mark out that shelf panel should avoid hinge hole when it doesn't go inside 70 millimeters. This is the end of open hinge.